Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess where we are? Hint, hint, look in the back of us.
We are at the Queen Mary in Long Beach, California.
We're back after many years. First night, Dark Harbor is back. It's the premiere night tonight. We will be attending it. We will be showing the mazes. We will be showing the food and everything. So stick around.
And welcome to the Queen Mary. This is their front desk and lobby. Long hallway.
Okay, sure. Okay, I appreciate you. All right. See you Tuesday. All right.
Historic display. We are one deck up from the front desk, which is where the staterooms are, and which is where our stateroom will be. So this is what the deck,
Queen Mary's beautiful.
and it's beautiful.
Beautiful old ship.
And these ships were canard ships. Voila. So
The hallways are so long.
the hallways are very long.
Last time we came, there was no one in the hallways cleaning. Today there seems to be a lot of hustle and bustle.
Yeah,
Maybe because
maybe
of
that way. Look,
the start of Dark Harbor tonight. Got more
they're
visitors than
busy.
usual.
But look at the picture of the old. It's pretty accurate. And the long hallways.
Let's go check out our room. Just want to show you how long this hallway is. It's got little nooks that you can get to the other side, but crazy long. And so spooky at nighttime. I'll say it again. If you've never been here, you need to see it at least one time. Lots of history here.
And we are in room M102.
The cost for this room was almost $500. So hopefully it's nice.
Oh my god, it's so cool. This is old school. Is this the light? Yes, it is. The wood is original. It is hardwood. Okay, so our little guy has his own room. It's a little creepy, but he has his own room. Let me see if I could take a full It has his bed, a vanity, a sink, mirror, more mirrors, dresser drawers, that's further away, and a bed, and a closet. Oh, cute. Alright, so it's a 2-bedroom room, so. And then we have a spot to put our keys and such, and then there is another door. We are in an adjoining, I guess, but I don't think there's a choice. And the main bedroom. Wow, that is old school. Soap dish, mirror, toilet, the shank push, very old bathtub with modern shower gels, and very short shower head. But what's cool is hot salt, hot fresh, cold salt. This is super cool. And another little vanity, and towels. And then going back into the room. Oh my god, this is so incredible. There's a mirror, and this is where the air conditioning comes from. A nice old clock. That scared the crap out of me. Old school fan. And of course the luxuries of today, TV. Very big makeup vanity and bench. Another full-length mirror. Spacious closets. Portals, and oh, look at that! We're gonna have a view of Dark Harbor. Guys, this room is literally going back in time, honestly. More air conditioning vents. You can see that the wood is original. And nice king bed, and the Queen Mary crest, phone. Look at this storage area. And that is a tour of the room. Here's some of the entrance, and voila. And the other bedroom. Guys, this is the coolest thing ever. I would definitely do it once in your life because it's a piece of history.
So this is the original gym in the Queen Mary with some of the original gym equipment. But what does it look like today? Let's see. This would be for the gym. Okay, that's complete with flat screens. And here is the infamous pool that supposedly a child drowned. Now, when you take the ghost tour, you actually, or at least you used to be able to get into the room and walk through the sides. I know I did years and years and years ago. Right now, we're locked. So let's see if I can find a better view. If not, we're gonna move on. But this is the pool. And here's a picture of the old pool.
These are the original elevators as well.
Very cool. Very, very cool. There's history everywhere you go. Everywhere you look, there's history on this ship. Here's an even better picture of the pool. And now we're on the sun deck of the Queen Mary. They are preparing for the return of Dark Harbor. So we're lucky enough to get a little sneak peek into what's going on. It's starting in about an hour. If not, you can continue on the sun deck. And if we go all the way to the other end, we'll get a nice view of Long Beach. Here's one of the haystacks, as they're called. We'll see that later on. It's a beautiful day here in Los Angeles. Loving it. Secret alleyway, secret passage to the other side of the ship so we can see the city view. Haven't seen any ghosts yet, but still daytime. They tend to come out at night. That's what I'm calling pretty. It's the city of Long Beach. And the cruise port is just down from here, like 5 minutes. Some really old equipment in this room. And supposedly this is the sports deck. Here we have an old lifeboat, 1936. Sure what this is, but it's blocked off. And all these have been repainted since the reopening of the Queen Mary. They have made some modifications to the ship to keep it afloat. Thank God. These old telephones. I'm not sure what all this is. original cabin right off of the main deck. Again, this brings you to the main cabin, or a cabin right off the main of the ship. I guess the captain would sleep here. Then if there's any issues, he'd be right here in the front, just through the ship. Very cool. And here's the chief engineer's room, as it was back in 1936. Very modest. And he's got a nice little chair here if you had someone over. Original bathroom. That kind of still looks like ours. The staff captain's room. Ashtrays and all. That shows you how old this room is. And the bedroom portion. Main hall. It's bustling today because of Dark Harbor ghost tours going on. Winston Churchill used this room as his office while crossing the Atlantic. This was his actual chair that he used, and this is the room that obviously has been changed, but this is the room. So I had a great night's sleep last night in the bed.
Yes, very comfy.
We are checking out, and we are off to the next adventure here in California. So we had a great, yes, we had a great, this is the restaurant that we did not eat in because extra charge, we didn't want to pay. We had a great time at Dark Harbor yesterday. They got some kinks to work out, as I mentioned in my previous video, if you haven't seen it. We were there the opening night, so I guess these things are expected to happen. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.